Well, this was not the sight we wanted to see, and that's Eli Tomac pulling off the track after dabbing his leg. And after last week with Jet Lawrence and his torn ACL, this did not look good, especially being the left leg, the one that he tore his Achilles on. But the good news is, as I'm reading this, as I'm making this video, the update is that he will be racing tonight. Obviously, he pulled out a qualifying 2 to see this, and there it is. Bam. He just dabs his foot. You can see he takes one jump. Fine. Second one, nope. Immediately rolls the third and then just is pointing right down, head in the air. That's not what we wanted to see. Now, I'm going to say this, knock on wood, this isn't an injury. Hopefully it was just a stinger this time, because if he's out, this is going to be horrible. I mean, obviously I don't want to call it, it's not a farewell tour, but it's the last year he's going to be racing in competitive terms, but pointing towards his leg, obviously he has some sort of pain there, and down towards the ankle that you did not want to see. You do not want to see that foot in particular, have any sort of damage to it because of what's happened before. Now, hopefully it was just a stinger. It just twisted his ankle, something that was, not an injury, but a little, well, I don't know what you want to call it. Hopefully he's not injured. It's not a torn Achilles. It's not something bad. Obviously, if he's going to be racing tonight, the assumption would be that it's not horrible, not bad, not the worst injury in the world, but we will see as how well he does tonight. And coming forward, if he races next week or if there's an update after this, I will provide it. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well is he going to do after this? Who do you think is going to win in the 450s? And also, obviously, the 250 East starts tonight. So, who do you think wins there? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.